Data drives decisions, but when your reports are lying across different sheets, tools, and folders, getting clarity becomes a challenge. Hi, I'm Paridhi. In this video, we are covering the reports module of CollabCRM. Here you'll get all the reports from people, project, recruitment, and sales module. So, view your insights instantly, filter what matters, and export your reports in seconds. No more chasing for updates. Alright, so let us begin with the people reports. All these reports help you understand your workforce better and make data-driven decisions. A few of these reports. Let's start with the check-in report. Select the date. I'll quickly select this range and alright. So this shows your daily check-in and check-out times, total working hours and break time. This helps you spot patterns like late arrivals or early exits. Next, let us see the exit report. This highlights exit trends showing regrettable versus non-regrettable exits and breakups by manager, department, gender, and so on. Next, let us see the leave report. This will capture leave patterns like planned versus unplanned leaves. This helps you identify red flags and overall leave behavior. Now, I'll show you an essential report. Let us see the Employee 360 report. Now, this is a full circle performance review of an employee covering the feedback as well. This gives a complete and fair picture of how they are performing. Let us check an employee's report. Select the employee, filter the time duration, and select the modules that you want to include in the report. Now, as we can see, you'll find the employee's designation, their employee code, the reporting manager, and on the right, you'll get module-wise reports. So under the people's report, you'll have if they have received any badges or achievements, you have their current skills. The leave breakdown structure is presented here and so on. Let us see the recruitment report. Over here you can check their hiring efficiency, the total candidates that they have given in, the stage conversion rate, open versus closed jobs, offer acceptance rate, and so on. For the project management report, you can check their expected hours and the actual hours that they have logged in, and you can view reports based on varied project types. And with this, the people's reports are covered. Let's move to the CRM reports. Now here, talking about the lead analytics report. This report gives you a glimpse of the lead trend, a snapshot of the lead funnel, track who are the top 5 lead owners, the average time it takes to qualify a lead. And next, similarly, we have the deal analytics, where you can see the deal trend, the deal funnel, comparison of new versus existing clients, your top 5 deals, deal owners, the average deal size, and much more. And finally, the collections report. Put in the payment date. Let me select, and so as you can see, this gives you an insight of the payment received for any of the lead, deal, or from any of the clients. Moving ahead, let's check the project management reports. I'll show you few of these reports. Let's begin with the timesheet report. You can filter by department. Select the date range and search. So what you get is the daily logged hours, leaves, work summaries for individuals, teams, or the entire organization. It includes visual indicators to flag days with missing or 0-hour entries. Moving ahead, let's check the time spent report. Enter the employee name and this report helps you with productivity insights and patterns. It tracks productivity and workload distribution, helps identify time-consuming tasks or bottlenecks. It enables better planning and resource allocation. Moving to resource allocation report. This shows how people, time, and skills are assigned across different tasks, projects, or departments. It helps you understand who is working on what, how much workload each person has, and whether resources are being used effectively. So, if I talk about the fixed cost, hire base, and hourly reports, we have covered these in the project management module. So next, with the recruitment reports, open position summary. This report gives you a summary of all the open positions across the organization, and you can view based on the current open jobs, openings created versus applications received, open positions by job type, recruiter, source, and more. Next is the recruiter efficiency report. Enter the name. Now, this report measures how effectively recruiters are performing in the hiring process. It tracks recruitment activities, outcomes, and timelines to evaluate productivity and success. So you can check the number of openings an employee has entered, given the total number of candidates, and the average time to hire that they have taken, number of positions filled in percentage. Alright, so now if you have a look at the dashboard, here you can pin down some of your most used reports from the list that we just saw, and in this way you'll get the essential information in one place. CollabCRM brings every critical report together in one place, clear, structured, and up to date. With real-time insights, you are always prepared to make smarter decisions and steer the organization in the right direction.